Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to get friendship request on Duolingo. Now to get this friendship request, it's actually very easy. One, all you need to do is just add people. First of all, you have to have friends. You know, don't just add people, they have to you don't just add people, they have to add you back. And then once they add you back, you have to be a little bit constant. It doesn't consistent, sorry. It doesn't always have to be, but it's best to be consistent with your lessons and with the person too has to be consistent. Then you will get a friendship notification, as Duolingo will pair you up with that person or any person as long as the person is your friend. Then you just have to complete quests together. That's it. Very easy, very simple, very nice. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.